Hello guys, Chris Law here, and today I'm going to show you how to make thumbnail for YouTube videos with Canva for free. So let's get started. Number 1, let's go to create design. Number 2, search thumbnail and select YouTube thumbnail. Number 3, go to photos and search photos that are relevant to your video content. Make sure it's attractive and appeal to viewers. Number 4, go to filter and select free. Number 5, select the photo that you need. Right click and set image as background. I choose this photo because I try to convey the message to viewers that the girl is confident and the Canva is easy to use. Number 6, select the text that is clear and easy to read from far. In this case, the text and the background contrast is not enough. Therefore, I will make the outline darker. Just copy-paste, align to same position. Click Effect, choose Hollow. Click Fonts Color and select Black. Number 7, add elements. In this case, I will add YouTube and Canva. Number 8, download PNG file. So that's all from me. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos.